When I was cutting hair, content really changed the game. When I first bought a pair of clippers, no one would trust me. I kept asking my mates to let me cut their hair, but the only person to trust me in the beginning was my dad.
Yay!
However, one person eventually did trust me, and I decided to post it online, and that led to someone else trusting me, which led to more and more people trusting me. I eventually got to the point where I had more people wanting a haircut than I could provide the service for. I eventually stopped cutting hair to pursue med school, but I've still kept creating content for various different businesses, and in this video, I want to share 3 principles that has helped me make content that has led to more customers and brand awareness while helping people at the same time. Firstly, before I make a piece of content, I try to think about positioning. Now, much like the spider who lays its web in a position that allows it to catch as much prey as possible, I try to choose a platform to make content on where a lot of my customers are found. For example, when I was cutting hair, Facebook was the place where a lot of people would be located. Currently, now I'm doing this whole content creation thing. YouTube's an amazing platform which I'm utilizing. Then on whatever platform I decide to focus on, I try to make content that my customers would be looking for. For example, I made videos on how to edit because that's what freelancers and businesses would probably want to learn. And although some of these videos that I produced didn't get that many views, I still had people reaching out to me wanting to work together.
Hi, I'm Guy Fernandez, a real estate broker and entrepreneur in Miami, Florida. I actually met Junius through one of his information videos on YouTube where he's teaching people how to edit their own content. I couldn't have come across a better person to work with.
Secondly, I gave evidence to my viewers that I could achieve their goal. For example, when I was cutting hair, I posted photos of fresh haircuts I had given, and not only fresh cuts for just one ethnicity or one style. I tried to do a variety to show that I could take anyone to any desired state, no matter their ethnicity or hair texture they had. Just like at the start of this video, sharing the story of how I got more people wanting a haircut from me after I started posting online, and sharing the amount of views that I got when I was making content for other businesses, all gave you evidence that I could hopefully give you similar results too. And I try to showcase not only what I've managed to accomplish for myself, but what I've managed to help other people accomplish as well. I try to play the Yoda character who has been there, done that, and is now helping other people on a similar journey. And I only talk about the things that I've done, so I don't come across as a fake guru. I hope not. Lastly, I try to add value. I've learned that people only watch your stuff because they get some sort of value out of it, whether it be education, entertainment, or motivation. So by adding as much value as possible, people tend to stick around. This could be sharing a story to demonstrate the importance of what you're about to teach, could be answering your frequently asked questions, or it could be sharing some of the lessons you've learned along the way. And if people receive a ton of value from your free content, they'll likely share it with their friends and network, so the content will likely market itself. So, in summary, I try to position my content in a way that allows my dream customers to find me. I give evidence that I've actually attained the result for myself and others. And then lastly, I just give as much value away for free to allow the content to market itself. And if you look at this video and study it, you'll probably realize that that's what I've been doing throughout this entire video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.